In this walkthrough, I will show you how to check readiness before pickup. The goal is not to make staff read every record. The goal is to answer one operational question. Is this rental ready for key release? Open Rental Workspace and find the trip. Review the readiness gates for renter intake, license, insurance proof when requested, agreement, payment, deposit, inspection, and key release. A green or complete status means that item is ready. A pending or blocked status means staff should pause and resolve the item before handing off the vehicle. Use the private renter workflow to complete missing renter steps. Use payment and deposit sections to confirm money readiness. Use inspection evidence to confirm photos and pickup condition. Readiness is not automatic approval. It is an operator decision supported by clear status signals. That is the pickup habit. Open the rental, check the gates, resolve blockers, and release keys only when the workflow supports it.